Install PgAdmin on your computer to run PostgreSQL with QGIS. We'll go to PostgreSQL. That's PostgresQL.org and click on the download button. Pick your system. We're going to use a Windows system here. And we look at all these versions and whatnot, but we're going to download the installer here, which I've already done. And running that installer will pull up it'll set up Microsoft C++ and whatnot. And then we'll get this setup menu, which we can run. I'm just going to go through the steps here. This will install the stack builder, which will help us get PostGIS in there. And this is version 18. We can set up a password. It's simple here. Remember your port and your password. We'll let it install. Okay, now that it's done, we can finish. The stack builder will come up and we can install PostgreSQL on port that was mentioned before. And we can pick the different packages that can go along with it. The only one we're going to pick right now is PostGIS on the spatial extension, so we can use it with QGIS. And next your way through the rest of it. Previous installation of that took about 10 minutes, so be ready to wait. And we'll finish these installations. Might enable everything here just in case the computer's a little old. Okay. So at this point, we should be able to run PgAdmin. We'll just go real quick through setting up a database with this. Here's our password. And here, databases comes with the default Postgre database, but we can right-click on this and create our own for this project. Let's call it Project 1. In that project, we just want to add the PostGIS extension. Just look for PostGIS here, and this will add some types of tables for spatial components. All right, it's all set up for use in QGIS, which we'll address in another video. We're assuming you have QGIS installed. If not, you can go to QGIS.org and install the latest version. Thank you.